Hi, I'm Rajini and have been residing in Ras Al Khaimah for the past 8 years. Being a working mother and juggling between roles of work and office, I gradually had this back pain which aggravated, and a very good friend of mine recommended Dr. Bharath, and suddenly the pain became so immense, and even the smallest task was like crippling and daunting. The pain was daunting, and I was admitted on Tuesday, and the doctor had prescribed me some medicines, and with the injections I got immense relief in the pain, and I'm so glad that I came to RAK Hospital, and Dr. Bharath did a commendable job, and especially kudos to all the staff at RAK Hospital who have been so kind and did a brilliant job. So thank you. I would recommend everybody to come to RAK Hospital. Thank you once again.